Hi everyone, welcome to the Messy Desk. Today I have Artsnacks box. So this is the September box. Really excited to see what's inside. Okay, so let's just take everything out at once and get the box out of the way. So the first thing that I see here, these are Derwent line makers. I guess they are fine liners. So it says there's permanent liners and 0.1, 0.3 and 0.5 thickness. Never tried these before. Interesting look. And it's kind of translucent. It's labeled on the cap and on the sides. Ooh, that is very thin. This is the 0.1. 0.3 and this is the 0.5. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh wow, Aqua Brush Duo, a whole set of five markers, six can't count. So they're from Lyra. I have never seen these before. Looks like they are dual tip. Let's open them up. So it's double tip. One side is a brush, and I guess this side is a thin bullet nib. Okay, that's interesting. This time we got a huge mixed media pad. This is by Clairefontaine. So I have tried Clairefontaine notebooks before. They are fountain pen friendly, but I've not tried their mixed media paper. This is 250 GSMs and 20 sheets. It's white paper and it's a nice weight to it. It's a rather smooth surface. And let's see what we get in the menu. Ooh, we get another warhead candy, and this is a sharpener. It's a Kumi long point sharpener. So I'm guessing we get some kind of a pencil or color pencil inside here. Yep, there we go. Okay, so here's the sticker. Oh, it's ice cream. Ice cream prints this time. That's really cute. Okay, this is Shinhan Art Touch Drawing Pencil. It says highest quality touch drawing pencil is a H. I have never seen this brand before. It says made in Japan. Okay, that's cool. Oh, this is a Tombow Fudenosuke marker. What is it called? Yep, it's a Fudenosuke twin tip. So I have Fudenosuke markers, but I believe mine are only single tip. It's not on both sides. This is quite interesting. I don't have this exact marker before, so happy to have this. Oh, okay, so one side is black and this one is like a gray. If I'm reading, yep, it says so right here, black and gray. That's very interesting. So you can do like shading and outlining in one marker. Okay, that's really interesting. Never seen anything like that before. And this is acrylic water-based marker. I don't know what brand this is. It's a Montana acrylic marker and it's 2 millimeters. Oh, that's interesting. Let's try and open this. Okay, I guess you have to do the whole nip pushing thing to get the ink out. Okay, so that's all the supplies we get in this box. Let's try it out. Okay, so I have my sketchbook here, and let's start with the pencil, and let's try out the sharpener. Oh, this is going to get really messy. Okay, so there was the sharpener. This is not a long point as it makes out to be. Doesn't look particularly long to me. Sharp, yes, but long, not exactly. So, got my sketchbook here. Let's look for a new page. Wow, so we definitely got a lot of supplies this time. Look at that. There's a lot of pens and markers and brushes. So this is, are you sure this is a H? Because that looks quite dark for a H. So this is the Shinhan Art. So it's definitely darker than what I would expect for H pencil and definitely softer as well. Okay, so next we have the Tombow Fudenosuke twin brush. Ooh, that's juicy. So with these is a flex brush nib, so you can press down to get the line variation like. So here's the gray tip. Wow, this gray is quite light in comparison to the black. It's definitely a light gray, but makes for a nice option for shading. You can layer over it a little, but since it is a water-based marker, does damage the paper a little if you go over at the same time too much. But this is quite interesting. Never quite seen something like that before. Next we have the Derwent's line markers. Let's start with the thinnest 1.1. These are light. Are these meant to be gray? Oh, right. So they are meant to be graphite. So I guess they are meant to be gray in color. I was expecting black. I don't know. The whole marker is gray, but fine liners. I was just expecting black. So definitely a surprise there. It is quite light. This is even lighter than the gray from the Fudenosuke twin tip. I was not expecting that. And I noticed that if you see over here, you can see the tiny little filament that goes from the tip to the ink sac or whatever sponge thing. For the 0.3 is slightly thicker. And it's interesting that they call it line maker and not line marker. So all of these are in the color graphite. It's definitely lighter than my graphite pencil over here. I'll say it's a bit too light for my taste actually. So there we have it, 0.1, 0.3, 0.5. It does get thicker, so it's exactly as labeled. Okay, next we have these 6 Lyra Aqua Brush deal. So first this is the light blue. Okay, maybe I should start with the black. Plain old black. Okay, that's a nice brush tip. And here is, okay, that's quite a thick bullet tip, but it does write pretty fine. So this is the black, sky blue, they call it the light blue, okay, green, and I'm running out of space on this page. They call it the Admiral green, purple pink. Oh, it just looks like plain old hot pink to me. Yellow, there's a lemon yellow. Ooh, that's a bright yellow. Red, deep carmine. Okay, the red is not quite as saturated as I was expecting. It's a bit lighter compared to the color on the cap. And finally, this acrylic paint marker, Montana acrylic marker. Let's do the pressy thing. Starting to see ink coming out. There we go. Okay. Okay, it's not as thick as I expected it would be, since it's kind of like a bullet, a rounded tip. Surprisingly, did not bleed through this sketchbook paper as well. That's surprising. Okay, so that's all the supplies in the box. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.